today I'm not doing my video anymore because I'm just like I just wake up now, but I just woke up now, and just gonna do an update my part 2 up to part 100, but I can't do part 100 because I'm just gonna do 3 videos today and 3 for tomorrow again. And this is my first video today. And happy Holy Week. I'm so sad because Jesus is dead. But that's okay because it's Holy Week. And if it's Holy Week, that means you should be honest. No, God cannot take care of us anymore because He's dead today. Only the devils. But I don't like the devils. So you find your ladder. I'm just gonna climb up the ladder. I'm gonna climb up the one. Down slow. And climb until there are 5 steps. I'm just gonna climb 4. No, it's gonna fall 2. 4, 3, and 4. I'm gonna sit down on the 5th one, but I'm not gonna climb the 4. I'm gonna climb the 3 because I'm too young. I'm too young because I'm still 7 years old. On my birthday, I'm gonna make a video on my birthday, June 26th. And I'm going to and it's gonna be kind of one video on my birthday, which is in June 26th. And here's birthday. My birthday in SMC side, and it's gonna I gotta have a video vlog. It's like my day 61 day 36 of and day 29 of my video vlog. My birthday is gonna be day 29 of my video vlog. Saturday, of course I'm only gonna make one video because the video is gonna be 10 minutes. 10 minutes, I think. Yeah, 10 minutes. Or maybe not. And it's gonna be the day 7 of my video vlog. Sorry about that, guys, but I'm sick. I'm sick. I don't really got my cramp because I have windshield powers 6. I have windshield powers. I always have. I think my windshield powers freezes into my tummy. That's why it hurts. Take it off because it's so because it's gonna be taking me like 3 hours to do this. But first I'm gonna pee. Don't show my teeth. Show the other side. I'm done. And this is update part 2. And my classmates always likes to see me Yes. But sorry guys, I did. Oh, you want my name again? Hi, fine. I'm just doing it. Hey guys, forgot. Guys, my name is Elijah B. And I'm gonna I don't have like many videos. It's because sometimes I copy the videos of the other YouTubers because I have no ideas more videos. Oh no, it's here. And there are plenty of needles here. Which are election materials. Because my lawyer is running for a city councilor. And watch this. It goes like this. And here's a hammer. Ugh. You've seen my Facebook video on Facebook that there's a hammer in my hand. Like this example, this is the hammer and this is the stapler. I was like that. But this is the hammer, this is the stapler. And it's hot out here. Sorry guys, I can't leave. I'm not just I'm just kidding. But I just wake up right now. I think I just like when I was sleeping or something. Not. Plenty of words. Oh, this hammer is so heavy and big. Oh no, it's even stuck. And here's a stapler gun. That's a stapler gun. Ouch, I should not touch the low part. Only this. Don't touch this because it really hurts. But it's sharp. See? It's hot. Again, I just told you, and even this neighborhood. Subscribe guys, Anton and Shopkins collector also. So Shopkins, it's okay. It's okay to unsubscribe Jezara Anton if he quits YouTube, when he stops making videos in YouTube. You could unsubscribe him when he quits YouTube, or maybe his last year. No, when he quits YouTube, when it's his last video, you could unsubscribe him, like Lawrence. He makes plenty of YouTube channels. Lawrence, he did 2 YouTube channels. And this is a funny one. Just now. And then I was about to. I'm gonna. Also, you could unsubscribe me in my nothing video for the last time. My last video, you could unsubscribe me now because I want to have 1 million subscribers. This is my first year of YouTube. Every single year, even 2015, I'm gonna do a nothing video. So I'm gonna continue doing Q&As again. If you guys like to comment me, please comment down below so I could have a Q&A again. she said, why nothing real? Happy New Year. Nothing real. I'm doing nothing because the last video of the year. So, that's not gonna be part of my Q&A. Okay, because bye and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment. And like this video and subscribe too. So, bye.